Hello, financial fans. This is Sunday, and it is what the 12th month, the fourth day, I believe. Second was Friday, then third Saturday, and fourth was Sunday. Today, this is December 4th of 2022, and the market is beginning to slow down a bit as far as the downward pressures on the market. The indexes for this market as of today, and this will change every day. The Dow 30 stocks, the index for the Dow 30 stocks, which is an exchange traded fund with the symbol DIA, that index fund is down 3.66% for the year, and it is the leader as far as not losing as much money as the other index funds, the most famous index funds. The Qs, QQQ, that's the NASDAQ stocks, the index that tracks the NASDAQ stocks, that is down for the year 25.73%. So it's the big loser in the indexes, in the most quoted indexes. QQQ's down 25.73%. The SPY, the Spiders, the S&P 500 index with the symbol SPY, is down 13.21% for the year to date. And what do we have here? The IOO, that's the index that tracks the top 100 NASDAQ stocks, and the IOO is down 11.66%, which makes it one of the best performing funds of the year as far as the well-known index funds. 11.66 down. As bad as that is, that's not as bad as the others. My portfolio is down 12.76% for the year. And have I missed anybody there? If we had invested in a fund that's investing and tracking the industrial stocks, remember the Dow 30's industrial tracking index, what if we had put our money in XLI instead of DIA? XLI is down for the year only 2.65%, and actually Dow 30 exchange traded fund is starting to look like it seriously wants to make a profit this year, down only 3.66% with a few weeks left to go before the year is over. And we've got some stocks here that look interesting and have numbers worth considering. And I am not a financial advisor, and any money you put into the stock market you can lose. And what we will do is look at 4 different stocks here that have the kind of numbers I like to see when I'm getting ready to buy something. We will begin with the Bank of Nova Scotia, which has a symbol BNS, closed at $51.21 on Friday. That's per share price, down $1.02, almost 2%. And after hours it trades at the same price. Column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $45.26 was the low, and $74.86 was the high for the past 52 weeks. And the average volume, 2,354,000 shares, or 2,154,000 shares trade every day. And this stock is considered by the experts to be near fair value. These pages come from Yahoo Finance. I highly recommend if you want information on a company or a stock, look at Yahoo Finance pages. They always have a lot of good information, and sometimes information that isn't all we would expect or hope for, but it is pretty filled with information about various stocks and companies. PE ratio for the Bank of Nova Scotia, third item down the middle column, PE ratio under 10, 8.58, so that's a good number. Look a little further down, see the forward dividend and yield, over 5.5%, almost 6% dividend that this stock pays, with the amount being $3.05 per share, and that's pretty easily covered by the earnings per share of $5.97. 1 year target estimate, very good, $60.22. Now we look at EQT Corporation, and the symbol, not unexpectedly, is EQT. 52-week range, $18.59 was the low for EQT, and $51.97 was the high, so it's pretty much in this middle there at the current price of $39.93, after losing almost 4% on the day on Friday, and it has recovered 2 pennies of that loss after hours. It's now $39.95 per share. The average volume, 8,700,000 shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. Third item down, middle column, PE ratio 6.39, which is something I like to see, a PE ratio under 10. Earnings per share, $6.25. The forward dividend and yield, very small, 1.39%. And the 1 year target estimate for EQT is $61.90, and that would be a massive move upward. Next we look at Phillips 66. PSX is the symbol, and the 52-week range, $68.57 to $113.53, so it's pretty near the high. Average volume, 3.5 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. PE ratio, not only is it under 10, it's under 5, 4.8. Earnings per share, $22.20, and they use only $3.88 to get a 3.6 dividend. 1 year target estimate for PSX, $123.36, so that would be another nice move upwards if that happens. Next we're going to look at TotalEnergies, SETTE is the symbol. 52-week range, $44.61 was the low, and $62.72 was the high, so it's near its high right now. Average volume, 2,250,000 shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be near fair value. The closing price on Friday is $60.61, and it lost another penny after hours. It's down to $60.60. The PE ratio, under 10, 6.76, and the forward dividend and yield, it pays a reasonably good dividend, not enough to keep up with inflation, but this a few months back would have been considered a big dividend, 4.42%, and they're using only a small amount of their earnings to pay that dividend. The 1 year target estimate for TTE, $72. That would be a big move upward. I thank you very much for watching.